What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a huge unboxing today. It is September, so it is Boxyluxe time. So BoxyCharm, the $21 a month monthly subscription, does this thing that every 3 months, it's optional, you don't have to do it, it's optional. You can sign up for a bigger box, which is the Boxyluxe, and it's $48.99 plus tax. I did start seeing the little tax part on my bill. And I'm so freaking excited because the box is huge. I can't wait to see what's inside of it. I really can't. So if you're as excited as I am, give this video a thumbs up right now. And also consider subscribing to my channel for more beauty fun. So let's get on with the video. It is long. It is huge. That sounded very appropriate. But anyways, it is just a huge long box. It is heavy. I can't wait to see what's inside of it. So let's go ahead and open it because I need to see. I need to find out. You know what though? I did get an email from them saying that one of the products is not here. So I think they said they were going to send it or something like that. So let's see what our first product is. Like, this box is so huge. I'm like trying to fit it in my vanity to the point where it's not going to collapse everything. So let's see. So this month's theme is all access. So let's see what goodies are in here. I'm very excited because this is actually, I was hoping to get this. So from Sutra Cosmetics, we have the Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. Very, very, very happy right now because I really did want this. You can never have too many contour kits. You can never have too many contour kits. So here we go. This is the Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. It is a gold palette, gold packaging. And it has some weight on it. That's really cool. Like it makes it like, how can I say it? You know, like it gives it like luxury vibes, if you know what I'm saying. Like it's weighted, like it has weight on it. So it's gold all over. Here it says Park Avenue Princess, and it has kind of like a snakeskin pattern here, like a texture, like a snakeskin texture, or alligator skin, whatever the hell you want to call it, but it's somebody's skin, and that's what it has there. And it says Tart right here. And we have 6 contour colors. It has a full-sized mirror, which I love. Mirrors on palettes, it's the shit. Like it's awesome when they're there. So we have 2 highlight colors, and it looks like 3 matte contour colors, and a shimmery, and it has there's a contour shade here, but this is more like a shimmering bronzer because it has gold shimmer in it. So it's not, so it has 3 matte, 2 matte highlights, and a shimmering bronzer here. So this is what it looks like. This is what we're looking at here. This is what we're working with. So this is the shimmery color here, 3 matte contour colors, and 2 matte highlight shades. So what is the value of the Park Avenue Princess palette? It is $45. $45 for this beautiful chisel palette. Oh man, I'm so happy because I so wanted this. So happy. I got, what did I get? I got the Tartiste palette, and I really do like the shades, and I'm like so happy because, like I said, you can't have too many contour palettes. So thank you, Boxycharm. So the next thing I have here is from Dr. Brandt. It is the Recovery Sleeping Mask Hydrobiotic. So the price for the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovering Sleeping Mask is $52. Together with the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette, that brings us at $97. Now let's see if this smells like anything. So it has like a very clean smell. I'm not sure how to explain it properly, but it just smells clean. Like it doesn't have like a fruity or minty smell. It just smells clean. If that makes any sense. Cute. And like I said, together with the Park Avenue Princess palette, that brings us at a total of $97 so far. And this box is only $48.99. So awesome, right? So the next thing I have here is from Stila Cosmetics. It's a Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the shade Rubino. So here we have gold top, clear packaging so we can see the color, and this looks like a nice deep red tone. So let's see what this looks like. Oh yeah. Oh, this looks so good. This is a very yummy fall red. This is a really cool color. I love it. It is a nice deep dark red tone. These look so good in the fall. I'm digging it. So the value so far is $119, including the Stila All Day Liquid Lipstick. $119, and we're only 3 products in. So awesome. So from Glow Recipe, we have the Pineapple C Bright Serum, Brightening and Smoothing. And it looks like it has pineapple, vitamin C, and chamomile. Very cool skincare stuff. Now let me try and open this like a human being. Aww. Look at these little pineapple. So this is the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum. Let's see. It says it has 22% of pineapple juice. So let's see. Holy crap. Wow, that smells fucking awesome. That smells really yummy. Wow, that smells good. So look at this. It says for sensitive skin types, use 3 to 4 times a week and gradually increase usage. Interesting. I wonder why. I'm really digging the packaging. I think it's uber cute. These little like texture, I think it's so cute. Reminds me of pineapple, right? Unless I know, because I know it had pineapple in it. Now it reminds me of pineapple, but I think it's uber cute. So this retails for $49. $49. So the value of this box so far is $168, and we're only like what, 3 products in, give or take? What are we in? Yeah, 3 products in. I can't stress enough how awesome this whole subscription stuff is, because bro, $48 and I'm at $168 right now. I'm telling you. So here we have from Sutra Beauty 32mm clipless curling iron. So it comes in a little bag here. I gotta tell you, I'd rather not get hair stuff. I feel like this all should be makeup to me anyways. Like, you know, I'm sure there's some people that love getting this stuff, but I don't need it. I don't know, it's just one of the, I just personally don't want hair stuff here. I want only makeup. Like, I would love for this just to be all makeup. You know what I mean? So I'm not a big fan of the hair stuff. Am I grateful? Yes. Awesome. Thanks. Great. Thank you. But I could have done without it. So here we have from Sutra Beauty the clipless 32mm curling wand. And it has a cool tip. Supposedly, awesome. Great. Thanks. I could have done without it. Personally, I just, like I said, I don't really care for me to receive hair stuff in my boxes. I would rather it be just makeup, but that's just me. So the Sutra clipless curling iron with cool tip retail for $65. $65. Whoa. So the value of this box right now, including this iron, is $233. Like, that's insane. It's crazy. Would I have rather that been with makeup? Yeah, of course. I'm sorry. I don't like the hair stuff. I personally don't. I don't know. But yeah, so moving on. So the next thing I have here is from Hank and Henry. It's Stick With It. It is the long wear liquid eyeliner in Blickety Black. So let me just get this out. Alrighty. So here we have a liquid eyeliner in pen form. You know, it's always fun and useful when you're on the go, when you don't want to be using, you know, like the dipping, and pens are always just easier for when you're whatever, like, you want to get ready fast. So I will tell you this, that it's not very pigmented. Like, it looks like you're gonna have to apply a couple of times. Like, it looks like a like, it just doesn't look like black. You know what I mean? It looks like it might take you a couple of tries to get it like really dark. So this is the swatch. So the Hank & Henry Blickety Black Eyeliner retails for $20. And that brings us to $253. Wow, $253. So the next thing I have here is IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. What did I just say? I'm not a big fan of hair products in here. I'm sorry to tell you. I don't really care for them. So from IGK Mistress Hydrating Balm is $29. So the total of the box right now is $282. That is freaking crazy. My back is hurting, but I really wish that would have been with makeup. I gotta tell you, that's probably my only Okay, so the last thing I have here, So here we have the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series Eyeshadow Palette and little paper mirror thingy protector. So it has a nice full-size mirror for the palette. Love it. The colors are way more fun. I mean, you could pull some of these off for like neutral everyday stuff, but there's some that are really fun. I gotta tell you, there's one that I'm looking at that, whoa. So these are the colors. Very fun, playful colors. Ooh, yeah. So this is the shade Emerald. Very cute. Not very pigmented. I'm gonna do a second swatch. Oh yeah. With 2 swipes, I'm digging it. So this one is called Pink. It is a nice, basically shimmery pink color, and it is uber cute. Like I said, these are more fun, playful shadows. There are 1, 2, 3 matte colors, well 4, that could probably be played off, that you could probably be used on the daily. But those three that I swatched are a fun, shimmery, fun party colors, I think. So that's fun. You have a good mix of both. So the total value of this month's Boxyluxe box is $311. I'll let you guys let this sink in. $311. I'm just gonna wipe all this stuff off my hand because I have this thing with my hand and I don't have my hands dirty. Yeah, so $311. Holy crap. That's insane. FYI, 1 swipe and that liquid liner came off. Just throwing that out there. Yeah, so $311 for this month's box. That is insane. My back is really hurting. I've been filming for like 3 hours. Oh God, it's hurting. Yeah, so insane. What are my favorite things from this month's box? I will tell you now that. Alright, so 3 items that are awesome in this month's box is the Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette, the Stila All Day Liquid Lipstick, and the Violet Voss Essentials Palette. The eyeshadows weren't all that pigmented. I think with a good glitter primer, they would look really good. But I gotta tell you, I am a little kind of like bummed out for the hair stuff. Like I said, I don't want to receive hair stuff in this. I want more makeup stuff, but whatever. What can we do? Yeah, so those are my 3 favorite things. So we are at the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Subscribe for more beauty fun. Follow me on social media. All my info is linked down below. Until the next video,